In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix internal exception java.net.socketException connection reset. So the first thing you have to do is just open up your search and then search for view network connections, and then select the Wi-Fi that you're using, right click on it, properties, and then over here in this list click on Internet Protocol version 4, then click on properties, and then over here select use the following DNS server addresses, enter 8888 and then 888 and then 44, and now click this validate settings upon exit option and then click OK and then close, and then wait for this troubleshooter. Now I can close it, close this, and now I can now open command prompt. Make sure you open it as administrator so no errors happen. And once you opened it, type the following commands: ipconfig/release, and now the second command, ipconfig/flushdns, and then the third one, ipconfig/renew. And once you've done all these commands and all are done, just close command prompt and now restart your PC and the error should be fixed. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.